In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Godaddy network error quickly and easily. If you've been trying to access your Godaddy dashboard or website editor and you keep seeing a network error message, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through several simple troubleshooting steps you can follow right now to get everything working again. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important fixes. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should try is refreshing the page. Sometimes the Godaddy network error appears because the session timed out or the page didn't load properly. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+R if you're on Windows or CMD+R if you're on a Mac. This will reload the page instantly. You can also click the refresh icon in your browser's address bar. Once the page reloads, try accessing your Godaddy dashboard or reopening the website editor. In many cases, this quick refresh alone resolves the issue. If refreshing doesn't work, the next step is to log out of your account and log back in. Session conflict can sometimes trigger network-related errors. To do this, click on your profile icon in the top corner of your Godaddy dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Sign Out. Once you're logged out, close the browser tab completely. Then reopen your browser, go back to godaddy.com and sign in again using your credentials. After logging back in, reopen your site editor and check if the network error is gone. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common causes of Godaddy network errors. Try opening another website like Google or YouTube to see if it loads properly. If other websites are slow or not loading at all, the issue is likely your connection. You can try switching to mobile data temporarily or connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. Once you have a stable connection, reload Godaddy and test the editor again. Another quick fix is to try using a different browser. Sometimes the Godaddy editor may fail on one specific browser due to compatibility issues or extensions interfering with the site. If you're currently using Chrome, try opening your site in Firefox or Microsoft Edge. If you're using Edge, try Chrome instead. Simply log into your Godaddy account in the new browser and check if the error appears there. If it works perfectly in another browser, then the issue is likely browser-related. If switching browsers doesn't solve it, the next step is clearing your browser cache. Cached files can sometimes become corrupted and cause loading or network errors. In Google Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select Cached Images and Files. You don't necessarily need to delete passwords or history unless you want to. After selecting Cached Images and Files, click Clear Data. Once that's done, close your browser, reopen it, and load Godaddy again. Finally, if none of the previous steps work, try restarting your modem or router. Network glitches can sometimes be fixed with a simple reset. Turn off your router completely and unplug it if necessary. Wait at least 10 seconds to allow the connection to fully reset. Then turn it back on and wait for the internet connection to stabilize. Once your Wi-Fi is back up and running, open your browser and log into Godaddy again to see if the network error has been resolved. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix the Godaddy network error quickly and safely. Start with refreshing the page, then log out and back in. Check your internet connection, try a different browser, clear your cache, and finally, restart your modem if needed. One of these steps will usually solve the problem. If this video helped you fix your Godaddy network error, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful website troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.